So now we're going to look at cropping an image. Okay, there's several ways to crop an image. I very much doubt you're going to use all of them. Okay, it's all I've come across, to be honest. It's just one way to crop an image. But here we go. So now select the image, go to Format, and you should see Crop. Okay, so the best way to crop an image, for example, is to click on it, and here you can remove. So say for example, if I just wanted the building, I can crop out, and there I have the building. And click off. There you go, and there's my image that's cropped. Okay, I don't know which frame is around it here. Oops, whoops, there we go. Okay, so there's my image anyway. So you can see here. Right, I'm just going to cut and paste. Right, I've removed that annoying text frame. Right, I'm going to put the image back to where it was. So I can just, as you can see, I can just pull out here, and it restores my image back to where it was before. Okay, so I'm just going to move it in the middle of the screen here. Right, now let's look at more cropping options. So here you go, look, we've got aspect ratio. So I can crop my image to portrait at 2:3. And there we go. I'm just going to undo that. Then I'm going to look at more. So aspect ratio. So I can crop here to landscape at 6.9. And there we go. So if they do ask you any of that in the exam, okay, the first thing you need to do is select the image, go to the crop, and go to aspect ratio, and there you go. You can select the different ratios that you want there. Okay, and it automatically does for you. It's already pre-programmed within Word. If they ask you to crop 50% of the image, all you've got to do is go to crop and just remove half the image. Okay, but obviously look at the image and look at what it's asking you. Okay, so because they're going to obviously want the main part of the image left within. Now the next cropping option that we can look at is shape. Now I really doubt this will come up. I've never ever seen this come up in your exam ever. But if they want you to crop the image so it's a star or something, okay, then you go to crop to shape. Like we can select a shape here. Here's a star, and there we go, and it crops to a star. As I said, this is my 3rd year. I've taught Cambridge now. I've never seen it, but you know it's there. So while you've got the opportunity, why not just fiddle around and play with it? Okay, just play with the different cropping options and see what's available. It's better to know than to not know. Here's a circle, so it may ask for a circle. Okay, I mean, some of these things I've never actually done before, I'll be honest with you. Never had to. So if we go fit here, there we go, there's the fit to crop, and play around with maybe the width and the centimeters. Here we go. So I'm going to put this on 15, and I'll put that on 10, see what happens. There we are. Okay, so as I said, just play around, just give it a go.